So now we are starting exercise 2. Question number 1 is 7 probability. If cards are drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards without replacement, then probability that a particular card means you can consider any one card. King of spade, for example, is drawn at the nth draw. So in this case, first draw, second draw, third draw, fourth draw, and so on, n minus 1th draw, and this is the nth draw, nth. So in this n minus 1 draws, except that card, any one card can come. So there are 51 choices available. And in this last, that particular one card must be drawn. One is favorable event. So total number of n minus 1 draws are there. So first we are drawing. Anyone from the 51 card can be drawn from the second. Now how much card left? 51. And how much favorable case is 50 upon 51 and so on. So after the n minus 1 draws, how many cards will be left? 52 minus n minus 1. N minus 1. 50. So much cards left. 51 minus, this card also we have to remove. So how many cards will be left? 51 minus n minus 1. And how many cards will be left? 52 minus n minus 1 card have been removed. So many cards left. Now, n to 1 upon, after this, from the total number of 52 cards, n minus 1 has been removed. Total number of cards. 1 is this. So how many cards left now for the final? After this, one more will reduce. So 51 minus n minus 1. These are the left cards. See here, for example, to understand this, suppose from the 52 cards, third example I am giving, of fourth card is fourth or fifth card is particular card is of spade, for example, ace of spade. So you are drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth card is this particular card. So in these 4 events, so what is the n? N is equal to 5. So n minus 1 is this. So first card can be 51 upon 52. Why 51? Because this card we will remove. Second can be 50 upon 51 and so on. For this last, now 3 cards already gone. So how many will be left? 52 minus 3. I will write there 52 minus 3. So for this card, 52, 51, 50 minus 3. N minus 1, 52 minus n minus 1 cards left. This. And here how many will be left? 51 minus 3 cards. After this, how many will be left? 4 cards are gone, so 48 left. So 1 upon 48. So how to write 1 upon 48? 52 minus, this will give me 1 upon 48. So in this way, you can connect how this data is coming. So all this will get cancelled out. So answer will be 1 upon 52. So 1 upon 52 B is the correct answer. So very good question for concept. Thank you.